What's up guys, welcome to Rocket League Cheat Codes, the show where I show you underutilized, overpowered mechanics in Rocket League that you should be using in your game. As you guys may have guessed from those previous clips, today I want to highlight the JZR flick. You guys have probably seen this mechanic before. It's a flick that can instantly get a lot of power from the ground. And while JZR's ultra high power flicks look very impressive, my goal today is to highlight how overpowered this mechanic actually is for 1v1, and why you should be using it in your game. So first, what actually is a JZR flick? Well, it's actually really simple. All this is doing a backflip while holding either one of the directional arrow buttons. Since I'm an arrow right guy, that's what you'll see me use in these clips. It's not hard at all and you should be able to get it down after a few minutes of practice. Okay, now that you know how to do the mechanic, why is it so overpowered? Well, there's actually a couple of reasons. The first reason is that you stay pretty much grounded all the time. Since you're not overcommitting in the enemy's half, you can usually recover very quickly and continue with the play. In fact, when doing the JZR flick, you're pretty much doing a half flip, so it's actually very good for recovery. The second reason is that the JZR flick shoots the ball up in the air insanely fast. So fast in fact, that you can often perform it after you see someone challenging and still be quick enough to flick the ball over them. And the third and final reason is that because you're holding air roll, the ball will not just shoot up in the air with no forwards velocity, like with a normal backflip, but it will actually still have quite a bit of speed, and the ball can even speed up a little bit, as you can see in this clip. All of this combined makes for a very unexpected quick flick that's very hard to save. And that's pretty much it. Go try it out in your games and see if it works. Bye!